Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install and set up Private Internet Access VPN on your iPhone.
Let's get started.
First, we need to open our web browser and go to the Private Internet Access VPN website. I'll leave a link in the description of this video where you can get an exclusive discount. Once you're on the website, click on Get VPN in the middle of the screen. Now, choose a plan that works best for you. As you can see, the 1-month plan is $9.99, but the best deal is the 3-year plan where you get 3 months free and it equals £1.67 a month. Once you're ready, scroll down and click on Select Plan. On the next page, you'll see a brief rundown of your order summary, as well as some additional services. Scroll down, choose your payment method, enter your details, and click on Subscribe Now at the bottom. After creating your account, you'll receive an email with your login details, which you'll need later. Right now, we need to download the Private Internet Access VPN app. Go back to the homepage of the website and click on the menu icon in the top right corner. Click on the Download VPN drop-down menu, and then choose the platform you want to download it for. In this case, choose iOS VPN. This will take you to the download page for iOS.
Click on Download PIA for iOS.
This will bring up the App Store pop-up menu. Click on the Get button. However, because I've downloaded this in the past, it shows as a cloud button. Go ahead and click on that and download the application to your iPhone. Once you've done this, click on Open. When you open the VPN for the first time, you'll be taken to this page and it's going to prompt you to sign up for a subscription.